Hello. Today we're diving into a topic fundamental to our well-being: gut health. Our gut is home to trillions of microorganisms that influence everything from digestion to mood. When balanced, this inner ecosystem boosts immunity, skin clarity, and even mental resilience. The gut-brain axis means your gut health can directly impact your stress and cognitive function. In this video, we'll explore delicious, natural ways to support your gut, focusing on probiotic-rich foods. Let's discover how these everyday ingredients can be powerful allies for a vibrant, healthier you. Let's begin with a classic, a timeless staple that has nourished generations: yogurt with live and active cultures. It's more than just a dairy product, it's a powerhouse of beneficial bacteria. This isn't just a tasty snack, it's a strategic addition to your diet designed to promote a thriving gut. It's a centuries-old staple for gut health, a testament to its enduring benefits. Found in diets from the Mediterranean to the Middle East, yogurt has been a culinary cornerstone for ages. The magic lies in its live cultures, the tiny organisms that work wonders within your digestive system. These include powerhouses like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, known for their probiotic properties. These cultures reinforce your gut's good bacteria, helping to maintain a balanced and healthy microbiome. Think of your gut as a garden, a complex ecosystem that needs nurturing and care. Yogurt helps sow beneficial seeds, introducing good bacteria that can flourish and support overall health. This supports digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most out of the food you eat. Yogurt's global popularity speaks volumes about its universal appeal and health benefits. From Indian lassi, a refreshing and cooling yogurt-based drink, to Icelandic skyr, a thick and creamy yogurt packed with protein, shows its versatility and health benefits, making it a staple in diverse cultures. When shopping, look for live and active cultures on the label. This ensures you're getting the probiotic benefits. Be sure to avoid heat-treated or overly sweetened varieties, as these can diminish the beneficial cultures. Plain, unsweetened yogurt lets you control sugar and maximize benefits, allowing you to customize the flavor to your liking. Enjoy it with fruit, adding natural sweetness and extra nutrients, in smoothies for a creamy and nutritious boost, or as a creamy base for dressings, adding a tangy and healthy twist to your salads. Consistency is key. Making yogurt a regular part of your diet is essential for sustained benefits. Small, regular servings nurture your gut's ecosystem, promoting a healthy balance of bacteria over time. Yogurt is accessible, making it an easy and affordable addition to your grocery list. It's also incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into a variety of recipes and meal plans. And it's proven to support digestive comfort, helping to alleviate bloating and promote regularity. By choosing it regularly, you're investing in your long-term gut health and overall well-being. You're making a simple switch with big benefits for your well-being, contributing to a healthier and happier you. It's a foundational food for anyone looking to boost their gut flora and improve their digestive health. Make it a delicious, sustainable part of your daily routine and enjoy the numerous benefits it offers. Yogurt's live cultures are a gentle, effective way to support your gut from the inside out, promoting a balanced and thriving microbiome. Start with yogurt and embrace the power of this ancient food. And you're already on your way to better gut health, one spoonful at a time. Next up, we have Kefir, a fermented dairy beverage with a rich history and a wealth of health benefits. It's a tangy, drinkable fermented milk that's absolutely packed with a diverse array of probiotics, far more than many yogurts. Unlike yogurt, kefir isn't just cultured with bacteria. It's traditionally made with grains. These aren't your typical cereal grains, but rather a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeasts that ferment milk, creating a complex beverage with dozens of beneficial bacteria and yeasts. Its origins trace back to the Caucasus Mountains, a region known for its longevity and vibrant food culture. There, kefir was treasured for its unique flavor and remarkable health benefits, passed down through generations. Kefir's impressive diversity of microbes makes it a true powerhouse for gut health, offering a broader spectrum of beneficial organisms. This helps in supporting a more resilient and balanced microbiome, which is crucial for overall well-being. The fermentation process not only creates probiotics but also breaks down lactose, the sugar found in milk. This makes kefir easier to digest and often more tolerable for individuals with lactose sensitivities. Beyond probiotics, it's also rich in essential nutrients like calcium, protein, vital for muscle repair, and overall body function, and B vitamins, which play a key role in energy production and nerve function. The fermentation process further enhances its nutritional value, with nutrients made more bioavailable for your body to absorb and utilize. You can enjoy kefir straight for a quick and healthy boost, blend it into smoothies for added creaminess and probiotic power, or simply pour it over your cereal for a nutritious and tangy breakfast. When choosing kefir, look for plain unsweetened varieties. This helps you avoid unnecessary sugars and artificial additives that can detract from its health benefits. Its unique tang and natural effervescence, a result of the fermentation process, make it a truly refreshing and enjoyable addition to your daily routine. Kefir's ancient tradition, steeped in cultural significance, and modern science both highlight its incredible value as a functional food. So if you're looking for a delicious and effective way to diversify your gut flora, kefir is undoubtedly an excellent choice to consider. It's a simple, yet holistic way to support your overall well-being. Incorporating kefir into your diet is a great way to nourish your body and naturally support healthy digestion. So add kefir to your day and experience the benefits for yourself. It's a fantastic way to get a probiotic boost and enjoy a taste of a time-honored tradition. Let this effervescent elixir, brimming with beneficial bacteria, help transform your gut health and contribute to a healthier, happier you. Kefir truly proves that powerful nutrition, packed with probiotics and essential nutrients, can be both incredibly simple and absolutely delicious to incorporate into your daily life. Now let's talk sauerkraut, just cabbage, salt, and thyme transformed by fermentation. This tangy, crunchy staple is a probiotic powerhouse thanks to lactic acid bacteria multiplying during fermentation. Sauerkraut's history spans centuries and continents, valued for its taste and ability to preserve nutrients. It's rich in vitamin C and fiber, and its probiotics support digestion and nutrient absorption. Fermentation also makes cabbage easier to digest for many people. To get the benefits, choose raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut. Look for live cultures on the label. Add it to salad sandwiches or as a side for a flavorful, gut-friendly boost. Even small servings can make a difference. Sauerkraut is more than a condiment. It's a simple, traditional way to nurture your gut. Its probiotic content helps balance your microbiome and support regularity. Embrace this humble food for a mighty impact on your digestive health. With sauerkraut, you're adding both flavor and function to your meals. Let this fermented classic become a staple in your gut-friendly diet. Let's embark on a culinary journey to Korea, all for the delightful and incredibly beneficial kimchi. This iconic dish is a spicy, fermented vegetable medley, absolutely bursting with probiotics that are fantastic for your gut. At its heart, kimchi is traditionally made from Napa cabbage, along with radishes and a vibrant blend of chili, garlic, and ginger, creating its signature flavor profile. Kimchi isn't just a side dish, it's a cornerstone of Korean cuisine, deeply embedded in their food culture. The magic lies in its lacto-fermentation process, which creates a diverse and thriving array of beneficial bacteria, enhancing its health properties. Especially the renowned Lactobacillus kimchi, known for its probiotic prowess. Beyond probiotics, kimchi is also packed with fiber, essential vitamins A and C, and a wealth of health-promoting phytonutrients that contribute to overall well-being. The probiotics naturally present in kimchi work wonders to help strengthen your gut barrier, promoting a healthier digestive system. And that's not all. They also play a crucial role in supporting a robust immune health. With hundreds of kimchi varieties available, there's guaranteed to be a flavor that appeals to everyone's palate, ranging from fiery and intensely spicy to delightfully mild and subtly flavored. When shopping, look for unpasteurized and always refrigerated kimchi to ensure you're getting those beneficial live cultures. Enjoy it simply as a side, mixed into rice bowls or even simmered in hearty stews for an extra probiotic punch. If you're feeling adventurous, making kimchi at home lets you customize the flavors and spice levels to your exact liking. Kimchi's unique blend of incredible taste and remarkable health benefits truly makes it a standout choice for comprehensive gut support. So add a little to your meals for a vibrant and undeniably gut-friendly kick that you'll absolutely love. This cherished Korean staple is living proof that time-honored tradition and cutting-edge health benefits can indeed go hand in hand. So let kimchi spice up your exciting journey to achieving better and more vibrant gut health. Now let's explore miso, a Japanese fermented soybean paste rich in umami and probiotics. Miso is made by fermenting soybeans with salt and koji, sometimes with rice or barley. It's a staple in Japanese cooking, most famously in miso soup. The fermentation process breaks down proteins and carbs, making nutrients more digestible and adding beneficial microbes. Unpasteurized miso, especially when added at the end of cooking, retains more live cultures. Miso is also a source of protein, minerals, and B vitamins, with antioxidants from fermentation. There are many types: white, red, and yellow, each with unique flavors and uses. Use miso in soups, dressings, or marinades for a probiotic boost. Choose Nama, unpasteurized miso for maximum benefits. Even a small spoonful adds depth and nutrition to your meals. Miso's long history and versatility make it a delicious way to support your gut. Incorporate it into your routine for both flavor and function. With miso, you're nourishing your microbiome and enjoying a taste of tradition. Let's visit Indonesia for tempeh, a firm, nutty cake made from fermented soybeans. Tempeh's fermentation binds whole soybeans together, making it rich in protein, fiber, and minerals. The process breaks down anti-nutrients, making minerals like iron and calcium more absorbable. While most tempeh is cooked, reducing live probiotics, fermentation still boosts digestibility and gut health. Tempeh is often better tolerated than other soy products, thanks to reduced oligosaccharides. Its firm texture makes it a great meat substitute. Grill, fry, or crumble it into dishes. Tempeh is a staple in Indonesia and is gaining popularity worldwide for its nutrition and versatility. Look for fresh, firm tempeh with a pleasant, earthy aroma. Even without live cultures, tempeh's prebiotics and nutrients support a healthy gut. Add it to stir-fries, salads, or sandwiches for a satisfying, gut-friendly protein. Tempeh proves that fermentation transforms simple ingredients into nutritional powerhouses. Make it part of your routine for a wholesome, plant-based boost. Tempeh is a delicious way to support your gut and overall health. Finally, let's talk kombucha, a fizzy, tangy fermented tea with ancient roots. Made from tea, sugar, and a SCOBY, kombucha ferments into a drink full of organic acids and B vitamins and probiotics. Its origins trace back over 2,000 years to northeast China, prized as an elixir of life. Kombucha's live cultures can help diversify your gut microbiome and support digestion. The organic acids produced may also have antimicrobial benefits. Choose raw, unpasteurized kombucha for live probiotics. Watch for added sugars in commercial brands. Home brewing lets you control flavor and sweetness. Kombucha comes in many flavors, often infused with fruits or herbs. It's a refreshing alternative to sugary sodas, perfect any time of day. Enjoy it as a morning boost or afternoon pick-me-up. Kombucha's unique fizz and tang make it a fun way to support gut health. Add it to your routine for a tasty probiotic-rich beverage. With kombucha, you're sipping on tradition and supporting your inner ecosystem. That's our journey through 7 probiotic-rich foods to transform your gut health. From yogurt and kefir to sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and kombucha, nature offers delicious ways to nourish your microbiome. Even small, consistent changes can make a big difference. Listen to your body, try new flavors, and find what works for you. I hope you're inspired to start your gut health journey today. Like and subscribe for more gut-friendly tips. Thanks for joining me, and take care.